Good morning, dear students. Look here. Now, this is the last part of exponential. It's not completed. Very carefully. Simplify 25t raised to minus 4 divided by 5 raised to minus 3 into 10 into t raised to minus 4. First of all, we want to remove the negative signs here. This is t raised to minus 4. So, it is t raised to 4 in the denominator. 1 by t raised to 4. Similarly, 5 raised to minus 3 means 5 raised to 3 in the numerator. This is negative anengil adu mugalil. Adu negative avumbadu thane. And here it is 10 into t raised to minus 8 means it is t raised to 8 above. Is it clear? Thane idu negative avumba adu negative avumba thane. You get idea? Idu negative avumba. They are reciprocal. That is, your law is x raised to minus n is equal to 1 by x raised to n. Idu moolu adu thane. You get idea? Now we want to simplify it. Now 25 is 5 raised to 2 into, here it is 5 raised to 3 into t raised to 8 divided by t raised to 4 into 10 is 2 into 5. That is factorization. 2 into 5. Is it over? Now here 5 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 3 is 5 raised to 5. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. T raised to 8 by t raised to 4 is t raised to 8 minus 4 equal to 4. And in the denominator it is 2 into 5. Is it clear? Now 5 raised to 5 by 5 raised to 1 equal to 5 raised to 5 minus 1, 4. T raised to 4 in the numerator, 2 in the denominator. That is the final answer. If you calculate 5 raised to 4, that is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. If you multiply it 4 times, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, it is 625 t raised to 4 divided by 2. So, better you put here. Is it all? Simplify. Okay? One more, that is 3 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 into, that's in the textbook, into 125 divided by 5 raised to minus 5 into minus 7 into 6 raised to minus 5. 5 raised to minus 7 into 6 raised to minus 5. Are you ready? Now look here. Now 3 raised to minus 5 means 1 by 3 raised to 5. 5 raised to minus 7 means 5 raised to 7. You get that? Changing the sign. 10 raised to minus 5 below 10 raised to 5. 6 raised to minus 5, 6 raised to 5 above. 125. Factorize 125 like this. This is factorization. 5 into 5 into 5 is 5 raised to 3. E negative akka thane. E negative poli. That idea? Idana 125 is 5 raised to 3. That is the first step. Remember the factorization. Now look very carefully here. 5 raised to 7 into 5 raised to 3 is 5 raised to 7 plus 3. X raised to m into x raised to n, x raised to m plus n. Then 6 raised to 5, 6 is 2 into 3 whole raised to 5. Divided by 3 raised to 5 into 10 is 2 into 5. That is factorization. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Is it all? Next line, 5 raised to 10. This 5 a into b whole raised to m is equal to a raised to m, b raised to m. So, 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to m. 3 raised to 5. Here it is 2 raised to, this number is not 10. Just minutes. This number is not 10, it is 5. Sorry, it is 5. So, 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. Is it all? Now complete it. I think 2 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 5 are in the numerator and denominator. Otherwise, 2 raised to 5 minus 5, 2 raised to 0, that's equal to 1. Similarly, 3 raised to 5 is also get cancelled. 3 raised to 5 by 3 raised to 5. Now 5 raised to n, 5 raised to 10 divided by 5 raised to 5 is 5 raised to 10 minus 5. A raised to m by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. That's your final answer. Is it over? So do once again the same problem. That's in page number 196. You note that. Page number 1, not 196. It is on 198. Page number 198. Question number 7. Question number 7. Is it over? Then question number 6 also. Question number 6 also. You do question number 6 also. This is question number 7. Then question number 6. Look at here. 1 by 3 whole raised to minus 1 minus 1 by 4 whole raised to minus 1. And your question, there is another negative one also. Are you ready? Look here. This is negative, so it is 3 by 1. If you want to make positive, change the numerator, then make it reciprocal. Minus, here it is 1 by 4 means 4 raised to 1. Good? And here it is negative 1. So, that we want to make the numerator, this one power positive. This positive are 3 by 1, 4 by 1. Is it out? Now, this is negative 1. Now 3 minus 4 is minus 1 all raised to minus 1. All raised to minus 1 is it over? Otherwise, positive by negative is negative. Positive divided by negative is negative. Okay. So the final answer is negative 1. Once again, this is reciprocal. Subtract negative 1. Negative is positive. So if you divide it, you get minus 1. Is it over? So problem is easy, but do it very slowly. Once again, 5 by 8 raised to minus 7 into 8 by 5 raised to minus 4. In a similar way, we want to make positive. So you reciprocate. 8 by 5 all raised to 7. Here it is 5 by 8 all raised to 4. Negative 1. Is it clear? Then the next line is 8 raised to 7 by 5 raised to 7. Because this is a common power. Here it is 5 raised to 4 by 8 raised to 4. Is it clear? Now by using law of exponents, a raised to m by a raised to n, a raised to m minus n. Is it clear? And here it is 5 raised to 7, 5 raised to 4. 7 minus 4 equal to 3. The numerator level, that's your final answer. If you completed, you multiplied 8 into 8 into 8, 512. 5 into 5 into 5, 120. Better you put here the last answer. Okay? Okay, all the best. You do this problem number 6 and 8. Okay, all the best.